Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging the Chromecast into the hotel TV's HDMI port and powering it from the TV USB or your own adapter. Once done, switch the TV to that HDMI input and look for the Chromecast welcome screen. You must prepare a Wi-Fi network, either your phone's hotspot or the hotel Wi-Fi. Make sure you know the network name and password. If the hotel requires a login, plan to use a phone hotspot or bring a travel router. Next, open the Google Home app on your phone and choose Add, then Set Up Device. Follow the app prompts until you see a code on the TV and match it on your phone. This secures the pairing. When prompted for Wi-Fi, connect the Chromecast to your phone's hotspot or a portable travel router so streaming devices share one local network. This avoids captive portals. If you must use hotel Wi-Fi, you'll need to authenticate through the hotel login. Now open a Cast-enabled app such as YouTube or Netflix. Tap the Cast icon and select your Chromecast. Playback should start on the hotel TV. If it doesn't, make sure your phone stays connected to the same hotspot or router network. For buffering or lag, reduce other devices on the hotspot and move your phone closer to Chromecast. For discovery problems, reboot the TV, unplug the Chromecast for 10 seconds, then replug and reopen Google Home to repeat setup. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggling your phone hotspot off and on often clears captive portal issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.